air duct.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Is this pump real? Is this the start of the real bull market? Let's find out. But enough of the nonsense, let's get into the charts. So today we are going to be talking about 3 scenarios on the charts and then doing trade possibilities like usual. So starting on the first scenario on the chart, our main scenario has indeed changed. We are now looking at a WXY that is indeed complete. This WXY completed at the $49,000 level. So W down, X wave in a flat structure, and then a Y straight down. This means that the low for the wave 4 on the higher term time frame is indeed finished. This being the entire wave 3, this the 4, and now we are looking for that 5th wave move to the upside. So if we're looking for higher prices, we are now looking for either 3 things on the chart. Either we are looking for an impulse, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a double 1, 2, which is counted like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inside the wave 3, a very nice 5 wave structure, or we are looking for a diagonal, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where wave 4 and wave 1 overlap. So if we look at the chart at the moment, we are currently dealing with a diagonal. Every move in a diagonal is a 3 wave structure. So if you can see here, ABC, ABC, ABC marked out here, and now we've seen a small ABC to the upside. So if we look now on the chart, we can see that this ABC to the upside in that wave 5 is now very, very small. So this is the one issue with the scenario, and I'll chat about it further in detail on the hourly time frame. But at the moment, we can see that this is possible for a completed diagonal here in a wave 1, and now we should get a 3 wave pullback in that wave 2 before blasting off to those all-time highs. That is at the moment our main scenario on the chart. Then if we go to the hourly time frame, we can see here on this 5th wave we have a perfect 1-to-1 touch on the ABC here. We have an A wave up, B wave down, and a C wave to the upside. So at the moment this A wave length is exactly equal to this C wave length here. So we are now looking for either impulse structures to the downside, or we are looking for another ABC in B, and then another a 5 wave structure in C. So that means this wave 4 or wave 5 is possibly not yet complete, as this is a very small ABC compared to the other larger ones which have occurred before. So if you see here, I'm talking about here in time. Please be wary of time. This time took a lot longer than this ABC here. So maybe we are looking at a W, X, Y, finishing that wave 5, and then only then heading down in that larger degree wave 2. But at the moment we are still looking at higher prices, so we are looking for that ABC down and then the blast off in the wave 2. If we go on to the 5 minute on this scenario, we can actually see that we have a possible impulse to the downside. If I zoom in here, you can see here a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is possibly a move where it is either the start of an impulse, the start of a wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but price and time will confirm this, and it will be confirmed on our Discord channel. Then if we go back to the 4 hourly time frame and then to our second scenario, this is our second scenario on the chart, a WXY where the wave Y is still being complete. So if we think about it logically, a WXY is all the moves in a WXY are 3 wave structures. So if this would be to be the entire three-wave structure. This would be very, very short in time. So that is the only issue with scenario 1. Scenarios 1 to be completed over here, the low in, this would be very, very quick to be a completed move down. So if we look here for possibilities of this being an extended range, we have a possible A wave down, B wave up, and then a C wave to the downside. So in this B wave, we should have either an ABC or a WXY. At the moment, I've marked it as WXY, and we are then looking for a move possibly to that 1-to-1 at that $69,012 level before moving to the downside, targeting out that 1-to-1 at ABC at 45,390. This move can actually extend slightly higher now, so 46,100. As the higher price goes, the higher this target will indeed go. This is our second scenario on the chart. Then for our third scenario, this is the most bullish scenario. We have an A wave down, B wave up, and a completed C wave as well, completing the low over here. Like this could be also a WXY or an ABC, can be marked or called as either at the moment. But this means we have, instead of a diagonal to the upside, we are looking at an impulse. So if you look at the blue count on the chart at the moment, I know it's slightly messy, but we have a double 1-2. So if we look here, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then inside this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inside this wave 3 another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we name it is we name it as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, if you understand me there. So if we look at the chart at the moment, we can see a double or triple 1-2 occurring. We have a 1 up, 2 down, 3, 4, 5. Inside this, we have that orange move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inside this, the pink move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The target for the pink 3 at the moment is the 1.618 at $73,368. So that would be a move up here. Quite a substantial move, also taking out the all-time high here. So that would be, or is it the all-time high? No, not yet. It would touch the all-time high, find a small rejection, and then take it in the orange wave 3. So this is the move, the most bullish scenario at the moment. In this wave 2, we can see here we have a flat structure, which is a move in a wave 2 that is an A wave up, B wave down, taking the low, and then C wave expanding higher than the original A. So we can see here in this wave 2, we have that A wave down, B wave taking the high, and then C wave taking the low again. So that is the possibility there. This is the most bullish scenario. The only issue with the scenario is that wave 1 is very 3-wave structure based. So if we look here on the hourly time frame, we can see that wave 1 looks like a 3-wave structure: an A wave up, B wave down, and C wave up. This could be counted as a wave 1, 2, 3, very, very small 4, and a 5 in some sort of diagonal. But that is quite a stretch. This is why this is not the main scenario on my chart at the moment. Now, for trade possibilities, starting on our 4-hourly time frame, on our main scenario, we have the move to the downside. I would take a long from this area here. This would be a good investment on the 4-hourly time frame, targeting that wave 3 to the upside, and then the 4 and 5. So that would target the bull market highs. A long from in this area, what you can do is you can work like a triangle, putting smaller positions at the top of the box and then larger positions as we go down, putting your stop loss at the 886 at 50,741. That would be the wave 4 trade. Then on our 1 hourly time frame, I would put a short in at the moment, targeting our ABC. So we are looking at possibly an ABC to the downside in that wave 2, or a move to the downside in X and then Y finishing that 5. So either way, there is a move to the downside. So an ABC or an ABC. So do look at this move here, as that could be quite a nice short position. On the 15-minute time frame, I would do the same as the hourly time frame. But thank you guys so much for watching. We have moved in subscribers quite substantially these last few days. We are now at over 400, which I am really excited about. Do join our Discord, where we do Elliott Wave education with a full Elliott Wave education page and a Bitcoin analysis page, giving you updates every day with the trade possibilities from the YouTube channel. But thank you so much for watching. It's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers, guys.